Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris again. I am so excited. I just came back from the church and they were giving away a Sunday dinner box survival kit. Oh, and I want to throw a special shout out to Jerry Dombrowski. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm going to make a soul food video just for you, dear. And Julie Adams, thank you for your kind comments. Now, let's start with this. Bread. Oh, I have 4 loaves. 1, 2, 3, 4 loaves of bread and some assorted buns. Love these. Ooh, soft. Okay. Oh, look at this. These make great sandwiches and great garlic bread. All right. Oh, more cereal. More cereal. Now, let's see. Do we want to start here? Do we want to start here? Okay, let's start back here. I've never seen this before. Red lentil pasta. Huh. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna come up with a special dish just for this. More mac and cheese. Now, you know what? I'm gonna do a big soul food dinner with these things. I'm gonna do some mac and cheese that will drive you out your mind. Great recipe. Oh, what we got here? Some mixed fruit. Ooh, more. Yeah. Unsweetened applesauce. Now, most people don't like this, but I'm going to show you what you can do with this, and it will taste great. This is lovely. How you sweeten it. We've got some sweet peas. Those are good. Oh, look at this. Chili. 30% less sodium. You know what's funny? You get better things out of the food pantry than you do the regular store. It'll be low sodium. I'm going to use this for some chili base. Hot dogs, chili nachos. Isn't game day this weekend? All right. Ooh, diced tomatoes. Look, no salt added. Now, how cool is that? Oh, cannel beef. Yes. Oh, some sliced mangoes. Oh, guys, check this out. Pink salmon. Now, would this be nice with some salmon croquettes? You know how much this is in the store? Oh, peanut butter. Ooh, cut green beans. Oh, yeah. Some more cut green beans. Ooh, I'm gonna make some southern beans on the soul food. Yes, on the soul food spread. And I'm gonna have a soul food mukbang. I'm gonna show you off what I'm gonna do. Some black eyed peas. Oh, we are also on black beans. I'm gonna show you how to make a dip for this. Yes, it'll be really nice. More black eyed peas. We saw these. And look what they gave. Not 1, but 2 whole chickens for frying or roasting. I'm gonna show you. You could either use a Dutch oven or a rotisserie. I have a rotisserie. I might rotisserize this chicken and then smother it, Southern style, in gravy. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that. I got a whole thing of oil. That's nice. Some Valentine's Day candy. Hey, I couldn't help myself. I sort of had a few pieces, I think. Anyway, 2 things of cheese. Wow. If you don't know about this cheese, let me tell you something. This cheese makes the best mac and cheese. It's different. You know, you can add the sharp cheddar, but this makes a creamy, gooey mac and cheese. You can either serve stovetop or bake it. It is great. Now, I also got 2 things of milk. I put those in the icebox already. Let me come back and give you a good pan of this. Look at this. Look at all you got. This is at least $100 worth of food. Nieces, nephews, go to the food pantry. It is so worth it. Now, listen. On my next video, I'm going to show you how I make all the food in the soul food dinner I'm going to do, okay? I'll show you step by step each dish, okay? And then I'm gonna have a soul food mukbang, and we're gonna talk shop about how to do this and how to do that. And once again, if there's something you want to see, want me to cook, ask me, children. I will absolutely tell you how to do it. Okay? And ooh, I'll show you some really quick desserts too. All this bread, guess what? Stuffing. Oh, let me just stop talking. Till the next time, I want you to like, subscribe, comment, ring my notification bell. I got a notification bell. Yes. All right, till then, I love you. This is your Uncle Chris. Bye-bye. Look at that. Wow.